Smart IELTS Prediction and Last-Minute Strategies. 8th October 2025, IDP and British Council. Before starting, join our Telegram group for recent reading PDFs, listening audios, writing and speaking topics last 6 months. Visit our websites for free cue cards, Band 9 essays, and CBT practice. www.ielts1stop.com, www.ielts1stopcbt.com. Speaking, cue cards and parts. Tips for 8th October. Don't memorize cue cards, focus on fluency and natural tone. Add personal stories and examples to sound authentic. Use natural linking phrases like, "What stands out to me is," or, "To be honest, the best part was." Join our one-to-one IELTS speaking and writing classes. Options: 7-day crash course or 1-month program. Demo classes absolutely free. Book now through WhatsApp, Instagram, or Telegram. Likely cue cards. Describe an interesting traditional story. Describe a successful sportsperson you admire. Describe a talk you gave to a group of people. Describe a good habit your friend has and you want to develop. Describe a time you saw something interesting on social media. Describe a time you told your friend an important truth. Describe the time when you first talked in a foreign language. Describe a book you read that you found useful. Describe a time when someone apologized to you. Describe an occasion when you lost your way. Part 1 themes: hobbies, hometown, books, sports, daily routine. Part 3 themes: truth versus lies, importance of traditions, social media impact, teamwork in sports. Band 9 speaking samples, www.ielts1stop.com. Writing, task predictions and advice. Writing strategies for 8th October. Spend 4 to 5 minutes brainstorming ideas before writing. Structure task 2 with clear thesis plus 2 strong body paragraphs. Always support points with examples, facts or personal logic. Focus on grammar accuracy to avoid losing bands. Academic task 1 predictions, line graph, economic growth or migration, pie chart, energy or transport use, process, natural cycle or production, mix chart, line plus bar. Academic task 2 high probability topics, technology replacing teachers, agree disagree, public transport versus private cars, discuss both, space exploration funding, agree disagree, globalization's impact on culture, advantages disadvantages, should rich nations help poor nations, opinion. GT letter predictions, requesting holiday leave from your manager, explaining delay in delivering a project, writing to a friend about shifting to a new city, requesting your neighbor to take care of your house, formal complaint to a service provider. Free Band 9 samples, www.ielts1stopcbt.com. Reading, trends and themes. Reading tips for 8th October. Highlight keywords in questions before skimming the text. Keep track of tricky true, false or not given by focusing on exact meaning. Don't spend more than 20 minutes on any single passage. Likely academic topics: artificial intelligence in daily life, human migration and population studies, marine biology discoveries, history of scientific inventions, impact of advertising, space research and future settlements. GT reading topics: travel insurance guidelines, work safety manuals, job adverts and short texts, event notices and invitations, complaint and policy letters. Practice with real style tests. www.ielts1stop.com. Listening, expected sections. Listening tips for 8th October. Predict answers before audio starts by reading questions carefully. Be careful with distractors, self-corrections, synonyms. Use capital letters for all answers. Likely pattern: Section 1, inquiry call about a holiday package. Section 2, map of a tourist attraction. Section 3, students discussing group project. Section 4, lecture on environment or biology. Solve latest listening tests on our YouTube channel, www.ielts1stopcbt.com. Key final smart strategies. Writing, quality of ideas greater than quantity of words. Reading, pay attention to headings, synonyms and transitions. Listening, focus on spelling, dates and numbers. Speaking, keep answers natural, avoid robotic memorization. Free resources to boost score. New cue card PDF, www.ielts1stop.com. Latest essays and vocabulary, visit site. CBT mock tests, www.ielts1stopcbt.com. Daily study material, Telegram. IELTS One Stop Community, Telegram group, join now. Smart Prep, www.ielts1stop.com. Free CBT practice, www.ielts1stopcbt.com. All the best for 8th October IELTS exam. Stay calm, practice daily and aim for Band 7+.